In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube banner in just 5 minutes. Creating an eye-catching banner is a great way to personalize your channel and make a strong first impression on your visitors. We'll be using Canva, a user-friendly design tool that simplifies the process, so even if you're a beginner, you'll find this tutorial easy to follow. First, let's start by heading over to Canva's website. Once you're there, in the search bar at the top, type in YouTube banner. This will bring up a variety of templates specifically designed to fit YouTube's requirements. Choosing the right template is important because it ensures your banner looks great on all devices, from desktops to mobile screens. You'll notice a wide array of designs to match various styles and themes. Whether you want something sleek and modern, or playful and colourful, there's something for everyone. After typing in YouTube banner, take a moment to browse through the options. When you find a design that speaks to you and aligns with your channel's branding, go ahead and select it. This step is crucial because your banner sets the tone for your channel's aesthetic, so choose something that genuinely represents your content and personality. Once you've selected the banner you want to work with, look for the option that says Customize this template. Clicking on this will open up the template in Canva's editor, where the real fun begins. Here, you're free to unleash your creativity. The editor allows you to modify and personalize the template to suit your style. You can change colors, fonts, and images, or even upload your own photos or logos. These customizations are what make your banner unique and ensure that it stands out from the crowd. Take some time to experiment and play around with different elements. Adjust the text to include your channel's name or a catchy tagline. You might also want to incorporate elements or images related to your content's niche. Remember, the key here is to keep your banner visually appealing and aligned with your channel's branding while being informative and engaging for your audience. Once you're satisfied with your design, make sure to preview it to ensure everything looks perfect in both desktop and mobile formats. When everything looks just right, you're ready to download your masterpiece. Simply click on the download button and save the banner to your device. And just like that, you've successfully created a professional looking YouTube banner in just a few minutes. With Canva's versatile tools and your creativity, you're well on your way to making your channel look polished and inviting. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and I encourage you to continue experimenting with your designs to keep your channel looking fresh and exciting. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.